This is my daily routine of feeding the chickens. Getting 2 scoops of food. I'm gonna close this up. A little bit of chick food. Because there are chicks out here. You can see that. Put that down right there. I'm gonna get some more chick food. Got my chick food. I don't know if I told you this yet, but we have some quails. And these quails need extra care. I'm gonna give them some food. Close this up. For you. Alright, gonna give them some water. What I'm gonna do, so get some water. Here at the water, it's almost empty. Go ahead and mix this out. I'm gonna go ahead and fill this up. Now, I'm gonna feed these smaller quails right here first. These guys go absolutely bonkers when they see water. Sometimes they do. Guess not today. Now we're gonna go ahead and give these guys some water. It's heavy. And after all that, we can feed these guys. And these guys, and give these guys some water. And that'll be done. We're gonna go ahead and give these guys some food first. Empty this out. So now we're gonna go ahead and give these guys right here some food and water. And now just put some in here and then put the rest in here. Doesn't matter if it spills. Got the top on. Just screwing it down real quick. And now I'm going to go ahead and put this in here. Now they got their food. Now the hard part is getting their water and have them jumping out. Well, got their water. Now they jumped out. Now I'm going to go ahead and fill this up. I got their water. So now, so that way none of this spills, I'm going to go ahead and pour this in here. I'm going to put this back. I'm going to go ahead and flip that and then put water in there. Ugh. Alright, now I got their water in there. Don't know if you can see that. Yeah, got their water and their food. So now, that's it. Alright, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, turn on all notifications, and I'll see you the next time. Bye.